Okay guys, welcome back. Today I just decided to do a quick review since I managed to get a special car that I know everybody loves. If you love Supra, then you love the BMW M40i. Yes, it's basically the same car as the Toyota Supra because it uses the same platform and the same engine and same horsepower, 382 horsepower. And this particular BMW and the Supra comes with straight six naturally aspirated straight line 6-cylinder engine, producing, as I said, 382 horsepower, inline 6. Wow, the way this thing sounds, it's amazing. This particular one, the BMW M40i, sounds better than the Supra because of the back box. The exhaust sound is amazing. So guys, if you never heard of this car, check out the BMW M40i. Yeah, Rockstar. So guys, let's go around it. Let's go check it out. Let's go. So guys, there's it. As you can see, that's the monster that we all want on the channel always. From now onwards, I'll be trying to get only performance cars, but if not, I'll give you daily normal cars as well. That's what I'm planning to do. That's why now every day I try to, for the past 4 reviews, I've been trying to bring you a performance car. So there's the number plate, the African car guy. That's it. So let's go around it. First of all, we'll go to the boot space as we always do. That's the boot space, so you can see. That's it. And this one comes with an inflator kit and first aid kit as well. This is the first aid kit, and the inflator kit is also located here. If you buy one of these in the near future, then you check out where the inflator kit is. It's at the same place as the fuse box at the boot side with all the tools. That's it. Let's close it. And it doesn't come with auto tailgate, manual, M40i Z4 twin exhaust. Brilliant car with the air vents. Is it fake? Yeah, they are fake air vents. Fake. Look at the back. Very beautiful car with a soft top. It comes in only soft top, no hard top. So this is how it looks. Let's check out the vents. If it is, yeah, it goes within, goes in there. Yeah, very beautiful car, as you can see, and with the African car guy plates. Yeah, look at those lights and the lines. The roof, you know, it's been raining, so I don't want to open the roof. Very shitty weather for a car review. I didn't want to review today, but I can't reject this offer. Yeah, so that's it. Let's check out the interior and see how it looks. Right. M badge. With those nice alloys, nice calipers as well, painted in blue. Very sporty car. So that's it. Let's go to the interior. So this is the two-seater roadster, M40 plates on there, leather section all around, plastic underneath, leather in within and up as well. Harmonic cardan speakers all over. Look at that. Colored seat belts, nice sports seats, leather. Let's sit inside. Look at those dials. Look at that. Very beautiful setup. I love it. I've been driving it for almost 150 miles and this thing rows. Look at that. The soft top, easily operated from here. Let me show you. Because it's raining, I don't want, yeah. This is for the mechanism for the switch for the hood. Parking brake, electric parking brake, sat nav, all controlled in here. Auto gearbox, manual, comfort, e-pro, eco pro, adaptive, auto. Look at that. So guys, let's fire it up and see how and hear the sound. Yes.
Shock triggered events were recorded during parking mode. Driving mode activated.
So ambient lights as well all over here, as you can see. Yeah, ambient lights. Big center console. And the center console, you can open it from here. That's it. Yeah. Armrest, cup holder, and all those. Yeah. Let's close it. Yeah, a bit of space at the back here with the nets to cover you. Very beautiful car. It's very lowered. Yeah. Don't know whether this ZF gearbox, but it drives very well. The Suppress comes in manual, but the BMWs, I don't know whether the 2025 ones will come with manual gearbox as well. That's the difference. Yeah. So let's go to the engine. Let's open the engine side. Let's see. 1, 2. Look at that. Look at that. Inline 6 B52 engine. M performance. Look at that. Look at that engine plus the blades. This car has only driven 11,000 miles. Look at that. Look at the engine. Very long looks. guys, let's close it. Beautiful engine by our standard. Six-cylinder turbo, straight six-cylinder turbo, B52 engine in there. Z4 M40i. So guys, let's take it for a drive and see how it drives. But as I said, I've driven it for almost 150 miles, and trust me, this thing rows. That's it. The African car guy. So guys, let's go for a test drive. As I said, yeah, that's it. Let's go for a test drive and we conclude. Wow. Right now it's on sports mode, individual plus. So let's go. As I said, this car is the same car as the Toyota Supra. Oh my god. Love that sound. I've driven this and the Supra, but to me the Supra is more fun than this one on the road. All fun. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, this is how a performance car should drive. Yes. Oh my god. Yes. Inline six-cylinder B58 engine. It's a very good engine on all the BMWs. Very, very good engine, very reliable. And this one, as I said, produces 382 horsepower. 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds. Very, very impressive roadster. So guys, if you have the funds, this is the cars, this is the roadster that you should buy. But would I buy this over the Toyota Supra, even though the Toyota Supra is cheaper, much cheaper? Yes, I will buy the Toyota Supra and keep some money, because that car is no way this beat the Supra in terms of everything. The Supra is a monster, trust me. Yes! Yes! So guys, with this, I would have to leave you here. And once again, this is the African car guy, as I always say. let me leave you in peace, guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.